In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make scrolling text animation. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional ticker-style text effect that glides across your video using CapCut. First, open CapCut and start a new project. If you're greeted by a blank workspace, that's perfect. Before doing anything else, confirm your canvas or aspect ratio matches your final destination, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical content. Matching this now helps your text stay properly framed later. Next, add your video. Import your clip and place it on the main timeline. Trim or extend it so the duration matches how long you want the text to scroll. If your background is a solid color or a simple scene, that can make the text easier to read, but any clip will work. Now add your text. Use the text tool to create a new text layer. Then type the message you want to scroll. Choose a clear, legible font and set the size so it's readable at a glance. High contrast is your friend, light text on dark footage or dark text on light footage. If your background is busy, add a subtle stroke or shadow to improve visibility without overwhelming your video. Make a few adjustments to the text layer before animating. Position it vertically where you want it to sit, often centered vertically, or aligned to the bottom third looks polished. Then stretch the text layer on the timeline to match the scroll duration you're aiming for. The longer the layer, the slower the scroll will feel. With your playhead at the start of the text layer, click Transform. This is where the animation begins. Drag the text horizontally to the right side until it sits just outside the frame. Keeping it just off screen prevents a harsh pop-in. Move the playhead to the end of the text layer, or wherever you want the scroll to finish, click, transform again, and drag the text to the left side until it's just off screen. CapCut will automatically animate the movement from right to left between these two positions, creating that smooth scrolling motion. Preview your clip to check the speed and readability. If the text moves too quickly, extend the text layer. If it's too slow, shorten it. Make sure the text fully clears the frame on both sides to avoid an abrupt start or end. If you notice any stutter, ensure your start and end positions are aligned on the same vertical line for a perfectly straight path. That's it. You've created a clean scrolling text animation in CapCut. Simple, effective, and ready to use in intros, announcements, or lower third tickers.